A pleasant morning to each and everyone. I am Federico P. Camacho and I will tell you the parts of the research paper. In making research paper, first you should know is the title of the page, where we can find the title of the paper, secondary title, full name of the author, submission statement, and the date submitted. Dedication. It indicates that whom you dedicate your research paper, for example, for your family, friends, and your loved someone. And the preface, which you should explain your topic choice and share your interest in the study of field. Abstract. Abstract is a summary of the entire work. In making abstract, you should include first, the purpose of the study. Second, brief description of the work. Third, result including specific data. And last, important conclusion of the research paper or questions. Introduction has three main purposes. First, provide background and innovation for the topic. Second, describe the focus and purpose of the paper. And last, give an overview of what is contained in the paper various sections. And materials and method, which materials are you use or method so that you can able to make a research paper. And result. The purpose of this is to explain or elaborate what is your investigation. For example, if your topic is bullying, you should know what is the result, or you should elaborate what is the findings of your research paper. Then discussion. Discussion is the main purpose of the section, is to explain why the result came out as they did, focusing on the principle of the investigation. Then bibliography. In bibliography, you should list the items of the alphabetical order by the first author. Don't include the website as a reference. Then last, citing and align a journal used to the journal's citation. Last, appendix are commonly places in the last page of the book, which contain furthermore information about your topic. Thank you for watching my video. Start na. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. Present the number.
Hoy, sukyan sa eh.
Bayot. Ayan, Kamachi.
Ay, mga...
Ay,
Kamu na